Audio Jungle.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आपको अपने इस चैनल पे स्वागत करता हूं फिर से एक बार। और आज की वीडियो में आपने जैसे कि हमने में देखा है कि ब्लेंडर के ज़रिए हम कैसे मतलब 3D मॉडल को बना सकते हैं। उस चीज़ का कोर्स का लिंक मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराने वाला हूं। सो उससे पहले हम देखते हैं कि उसमें मतलब कैसे टाइप के क्या मतलब कोर्स के अंदर क्या क्या है और क्या क्या चीज़ें वो सिखाने वाला है। ठीक है, सो लेट्स गो ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड प्ले द इंट्रो। ओके, एंजॉय।
Welcome everyone to this quick and compact course. We'll be 3D modelling the Hobbit door scene with a mix of Blender 2.9 and Adobe Photoshop. We'll be using Blender 2.9 to create a fully fledged 3D model of a Hobbit door. As we go through the course, you'll be learning the very basics of Blender 2.9 and Adobe Photoshop, moving on to professional techniques in a short time of accelerated learning. This course was built from the ground up and is suitable for students of any level and skill, even if you're still using Blender 2.8. The course modelling process is broken up into parts that are modelled individually, step by step. This makes it easy for you to follow along. And best of all, 3D modelling a Hobbit door scene in Blender 2.9 and Photoshop comes with a full resource bundle. The bundle will include a reference pack that will act as your guide so that you'll never be lost. Come join me on a fantasy journey as we create things like round doors, stone archways and mountainous foliage using Blender 2.9's particle system. Join in this course to learn how to create materials from scratch using Blender's inbuilt node system. And that's not all. Join to learn how to create procedural textures like stained glass and metal using Blender's 2.9 exclusively. And as we journey through material creation, you'll be supported through detailed explanations of each node, guiding you along the way. You'll be learning how to use Adobe Photoshop within your 3D modeling workflow. Using Photoshop, you will quickly and easily create meshes exactly the way you want them. After using Photoshop to create your stained glass window, you'll never look back. Through Photoshop, we'll be creating a beautiful stained glass window and flowing ornate hinges that perfectly fit around the door you will be creating. Best of all, anyone can follow along, even if you don't have Photoshop. This is because I've included my own hinges and stained glass which are ready to be imported straight into Blender from the course resources. As such, this provides you with a course shortcut which you can take if you choose. Finally, you will learn how to fully render out the Hobbit door scene in Blender 2.9 to give you a realistic looking final result using Blender Cycles or Eevee Renderer. The skills you will learn will be crucial for future projects, letting this course continue giving even after it's ended. 3D modeling a Hobbit door scene in Blender and Photoshop is one of my quickest, most compact courses to date, filled with efficient, quick to follow tips and animations that will help you accelerate your workflow through a single project. My library of courses is growing even larger and has progressed into yet another genre. Whether you want to venture back into medieval times as you reminisce the simpler life, or if sci-fi makes you tick and helps you project into the distant galaxies, this course library has something stored within it that's just for you. There's also something in the bag for those who will look for opportunities to create stylized course assets, with the opportunity to swirl into the fantasy scene with this newest course. Check out my course library because I'm sure there will be something that you're going to love. Thank you all for watching and I hope to see you on the course. And as always, happy modeling everyone.
सो इस भाई अंग्रेज़ी भाई के वीडियो में मतलब कोर्स में देखते हैं क्या क्या कंटेंट्स वगैरह इसमें अवेलेबल दिया है। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि पहला चैप्टर जो है इंट्रोडक्शन का दिया है। सेकंड सेक्शन में जो है वो क्रिएटिंग मतलब शुरू से स्क्रैच से क्रिएटिंग करने के बारे में बताएगा। फोटोशॉप का भी यहाँ पे फाइल भी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। और एक्सप्लोरिंग एसवीजी फाइल ब्लेंडर। दैन सेक्शन 3 में जैसे यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं कि देख सकते हो कि मॉडलिंग कैसे करते हैं ना, मतलब मेकिंग ऑफ जो डिज़ाइन है वो उसको बारे में बताया है, ठीक है। सो ऐसे करते पूरा मतलब सेक्शन 3, 4 एंड 5 6, 7, 8, 9, जो मतलब 9 तक का इसमें पूरा मतलब जितने भी डेटास है मैं आपको दिखा दिया हूँ कि इसमें इतने तक के कंटेंट्स वगैरह दिए हुए हैं। तो इस चीज़ का जो लिंक है अंग्रेज़ी भाई का वो मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा और वहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। एंड आई होप आपको ये कोर्स में मज़ा आएगा। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट ऑफ लक, एंड प्लीज़ hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Good night. Bye bye.
Jump.